tale. Let's see a story about the lonely elephant. Once there was an elephant. He had no friends. So he started to walk through the forest to find new friends. Soon he met with a monkey.
Hello, monkey. Will you be my friend?
Sorry, you are too big to be my friend. You cannot jump from tree to tree like me, so we cannot be friends.
Sad, elephant walked away. Then he met with a frog.
Hello, frog. Will you be my friend?
Sorry, you are too big to be my friend. You cannot jump like me, so I cannot be your friend.
Sad, elephant walked away. Sad, elephant started to walk.
Hello, rabbit.
Then he
Can
met
we
a
be
rabbit.
friends?
Sorry, you cannot be my friend. You cannot run faster as I do.
Sad, elephant walked away. He saw animal running across him and stopped a deer and asked why they were running. There is a tiger that scares around the animals. Everyone are running for their lives. Elephant thought of helping the animals and spoke to the tiger.
Please leave the animals alone.
But the tiger didn't listen, kept scaring the animals. Elephant then chased away the tiger and saved other animals. The animals were sorry for hurting the elephant and they wanted to become friends with the elephants. Moral of the story: became friends and they were happy. Size doesn't matter for good friendship. Please subscribe for more videos.